أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson 10, we will be going to do the next letter, which is SAWD. It's a heavy letter. It has a sound of different than the seen. Seen is from the same makhraj, almost the same makhraj, but it's a light letter, so that's a sound different. Seen, and I told you S-E-E-N, seen is exactly this sound. Our next letter, this one today we are doing, this is little different, and it is, let's see where it is, this one, SAWD, SAWD. Yeah, this one is totally different than this sound, seen or SAWD. Let's see how we write it. Different also. Seen we did with W and then the bigger one. Now what we do, we make the kind of this way. I think it's kind of balloon, looks like balloon, or maybe you can say it's an oval shape and then little line like this. This is an oval, and then we make little line there, and then we will do the same way over here, the bigger one. So this is SAWD. What is it? SAWD. Very heavy and sound different than seen. So this is SAWD. Practice it with me. You will be writing it easily. And then it's not only heavy sound, light sound, heavy sound. Both are different, and the sound is kind of whistle sound from both of them because makhraj is, starting makhraj is the same. And then we have some of the words. For this one, we can say salam. We can say sukoon. See, it's not heavy at all. And then the next one is sabr. It's a heavy sabr. And we can have some more letters. The board is again, okay. This one is, we did sabr. Sabr is heavy. Then there is a saf, heavy. Then we say Salihin, Salihin. Ha is having an empty sound. So this is Sabr, Saf, Salihin. There are a lot of other letters also. I'll tell you the very easy way how to pronounce it. Just we did for the seen, this one, seen. And this one is saw. If we say, we can pronunciate saw in English, we can easily say SAWD, SAWD. This is SAWD. And when we write it just separately, we write it this way. This is SAWD. Let's see where the makhraj is in the picture, so clearly you can understand. First one is, this one is called SAWD. See, there is saw and alif, and with it we can say hamza and then dal. SAWD. And where the makhraj is, tip of the tongue touches to the lower teeth, corner of the or edge of the lower two teeth, and then the back part of the tongue closer to the upper, you can say, palate. Not touching it, but it will be closer there. So, and our heavy sound, for heavy sound, maybe we have some air in our mouth. So we say SAWD, SAWD, and this is saw. And this is here. You can very easily understand about this. What is it? These are the lower teeth. This is the upper one, and there is inside there is a tongue, and tongue is touching where the corner of almost the corner of these two, not coming out, corner of these two teeth, the lower one, and then the upper back side of the tongue touches up palate. So what is it that makes it this way? See, it's not touching, but it's closer there, and it's touching here. When it stops here, and the sound will be heavy sound, saw, sawed, sawed. This is the sound of this one. And easiest I told you, SAW, saw. That is the easiest way to learn this one, and kids can learn too because they know these words and letters in English, and that is much easier than looking at the makhraj and then try to do it. So this is today's, I hope you learn how to write and where the makhraj is and how to pronunciate it, because this is the lesson we are doing. And Mashkatul Hayat means lamp of life. So this is our channel. So tomorrow we will do the next letter. Goodbye. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم